डर हमेशा मेरे पीछे आता है।
त्रिशा, सबसे पहले तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बुक के बारे में, मतलब थोड़ा कुछ बताइए हमारी ऑडियंस को कि किस बारे में है ये बुक और मतलब कब आपको फर्स्ट थॉट आया था ये लिखने के लिए?
This thought came to me 5 years ago, and I've been working and developing the idea for 5 years while I've been giving birth to 2 babies. I really love the Mahabharata. I've always loved it, and I wanted to do something really cool with the women in the Mahabharata so that it could be for the next generation. It could be something modern and fun and contemporary.
So are you planning to be on documentary type or something?
I hope so. On this book?
Yeah.
You know what? If anyone wants to come to me, I'm waiting. I'm absolutely waiting. Yeah.
Okay. So why not on Pandavas? Why only on?
Thank you for asking me that. I've got a part 2 coming out of this book, and in part 2, the Pandavas come down too.
Wow. So any personal message you want to give to audience about this book?
It's fun, man. It's fun, and you give it a chance, it'll rock your world. Try it. It's new.
Thank you so much.
Thanks very much, guys. Thank you.
ओके
वीर, आपकी सिस्टर की बुक लॉन्च हुई
जी। आई एम वेटिंग फॉर माई सिस्टर टू कम हियर एक्चुअली। कैन समबडी गेट माई सिस्टर हियर प्लीज? हाँ हाँ, शी स्पोक टू यू? ओके, ठीक है, कूल। सो लेट हर बी हियर विद मी, कम ऑन। ओके,
हेलो, हाया।
सो हाँ जी, I'm very, very happy. I'm Trisha is most creative person in our family. I'm the marketing department. So I'm honored to launch my sister's book. पहली बार जब मैंने पढ़ा, I knew it was a wonderful story that needed to be told. Trisha इतनी creative है और इतनी सालों से creative है क्योंकि documentaries बना रही थी, किताबें लिख रही थी. I feel like I'm an artist today because Trisha was so creative when I was growing up. So,
Any of the character from in your book inspired from you?
not
From
Draupadi,
Veer.
but
Not Draupadi. No, definitely not the women. This is about the women. The next one will be about the men.
Maybe as you said about the Zafar's character, something kind of that.
Veer is funnier than Zafar.
हाँ,
Yeah.
लेकिन फिल्म बनेगी तो रोल कर लेंगे जफर। I think
Absolutely.
अच्छा
Yeah.
लगेगा।
और नारद मुनि में भी.
नारद मुनि, हाँ ठीक है।
How proud are you of your sister of so many accomplishments?
आई एम ऑलवेज प्राउड ऑफ माई सिस्टर। आई रिमेंबर जब पहली बार त्रिशा ने नेशनल अवार्ड जीता तो मेरे को इतना आइडिया नहीं था कि हाउ बिग अ डील इट इज़, एंड देन आई सॉ अ फोटो ऑफ माई सिस्टर स्टैंडिंग नेक्स्ट टू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, and then as somebody who's still in college, it finally hit me saying this is the highest level of filmmaking, the highest level of creativity. So I'm very, very proud, and I think the book will be just as much of a success.
What do you think about the current situation is happening with the actors of Pakistan actors? Communist parties are protesting.
Look, I mean, it's a very, very complicated situation. I feel like, you know, actors are very small fish in a very, very large situation. So if you're targeting attention towards actors, then you have to come up with a much bigger solution at a much larger level. I've always embraced values of friendship and brotherhood towards any nationality. And much like nationalities embrace Indians abroad as well. So I'm hoping that an amicable, friendly, brotherly solution can be found to all problems. Yes. No, I mean 31st October is the story of a 5 people family. Me, Soha, our 3 children. एक बहुत बड़ा दिन है इतिहास में, लेकिन एक बहुत छोटी सी कहानी है, 5 लोगों की कहानी है. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम कुछ नया बता रहे हैं, सब लोग सब जानते हैं कि 1984 में क्या हुआ था, और वो सिर्फ एक बैकड्रॉप है. 5 लोगों की कहानी है, बहुत अच्छी कहानी है. आई होप पीपल विल कम आउट एंड सी है. पहली ड्रामा है मेरी, तो आई होप पीपल विल सी इट.
Did you consider him, what we can say, recognize him being a Sardar?
I did not. And you know what? There's a picture of him as an old Sardar. I couldn't have for the life of me looked at it. I would have thought it was any old man. He's fabulous in the film. I have never seen him act better. He's a breakout role, definitely.
Anything you writing from him?
We're collaborating on a few films.
We've written a screenplay together. इंशाल्लाह अगले साल या
Yes.
2018 में बनेगी फिल्म. Thank you guys.
Thank
Thank you
you.
guys. Thank you so much. Cheers.